Werkstattschau. Here in the museum we build aeroplanes, restore cars and motorbikes, file, weld, hammer and tap, wonder, weld and plane some more. And they say that where you break an egg, chips fall. And that's what you're going to see here. And off he goes. I welcome you to join in with today's episode number 20 of our documentary along the way of building the Engels E7, which is a reproduction of the Fokker V40 of 1919. Part 8 will take you through the adjustment of the main wing spars through planning to the shape of the rib contour in order to make them slide on. We will see how the main wing mounting metal fittings and brackets are made and how they are fitted to the fuselage. And of course, we will also see how these brackets are drilled fitting to the spar, plus much more. My name is Achim Engels, I'm your host, and I do really hope you enjoy watching this installment as much as I had fun creating it.